Did you know some animals are natural pharmacists? These creatures have their own way of making medicine. Let's dive into 3 animals that will blow your mind with their healing tricks. First, chimpanzees. When they're sick, they'll chew on bitter leaves, which aren't part of their regular diet. Why? These plants have medicinal properties that kill parasites inside them. It's like they know exactly what cures them. How's that for jungle pharmacy? Next, we've got ants. Leafcutter ants grow fungus as food, but they also carry bacteria on their bodies that produce antibiotics. This protects their colony's fungus garden from harmful molds. Imagine tiny ants with their very own antibiotic shield. Talk about nature's pharmacy. And finally, elephants. These gentle giants cover themselves in mud to protect and heal their skin. Mud acts like a natural bandage, sealing wounds and keeping infections away. Who knew mud baths were more than just fun? Pretty wild, right? These animals are literally making their own medicine. Want more amazing animal facts? Hit that subscribe button and join us at Beast Mysteries. What animal behavior shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below.